YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Since you're here, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you are new, hit that subscribe button. I have a giveaway planned at 500 subscribers if we hit 500 subscribers by May 15th. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get a chance to enter for the giveaway. Now, let's get into the video really quick. You read the title, you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is, you know what's going on. Today, obviously, we are getting the release of the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. Now, a lot of people are excited for the sneaker, mainly because of the shock drop that we had, what was it, a week ago, 2 weeks ago? Maybe a week and a half ago, but we had the shock drop of it. And this video right here is a quick video for me to tell you why I am not getting the sneaker. Now, the main problem is the resale market right now, especially with everything going on with the coronavirus right now. The resale market is a little bit different than it looked before the coronavirus. And what I mean by that is the main way to sell a sneaker right now is via StockX, eBay, or GoDaddy. That's pretty much it. That's all you got. Now, I'm not set up with eBay right now, and I do most of my selling through GoDaddy. And with the seller fees and everything, it's obviously you make less money than you think you're going to make, which I account for most of the time. But I'm not 100% sure how many pairs of these Royal Toe ones are going to come out. I'm not sure what the hype behind them is going to be. And also, I'm looking for a quick flip, and I don't think this is going to be a very quick flip. I definitely do think they're worth buying right now and investing in for the long haul. But for what I'm looking for, I want something that I could buy now and flip by the end of next week. And the reason why it's something I want to flip quick is because the end of May and the beginning of June, from May 30th to June 6th, there are 3 sneakers coming out, totaling for around $600 that I really want for myself. Me personally, when I look at the Jordan 1 Royal Toe, that white wings logo, I don't know if the white wing logo is the only problem, but something about that shoe just doesn't sit right with me, and I don't see it being something that I would wear. And like I said a bunch of times before, I do like to have sneakers varying around the rainbow, a bunch of different colors. And I do not have a blue Jordan 1, but I do have the uninterrupted Air Force ones. So I do get my nice royal blue in there, or my more than blue as they call it. And also there is the Air Max 90, which by the way this year has phenomenal quality. The Air Max 90 this year in the Hyper Royal colorway, and I do think I will end up picking those up at some point in the future. So just for me personally, it's not really worth picking up. However, there are 2 friends that I know. I actually reached out to both of them that are going to be going for the Royal Toe ones. Once again, we don't know what the availability on these is going to be. My assumption is that it's going to be a pretty general release because we did get a shock drop. If they were able to shock drop so many pairs, or at least give exclusive access to so many pairs, then I think there's going to be a bunch of pairs to go around come today. But I do have 2 friends that are going after them, and I did reach out to both of them, and both of them told me, yeah, if I could get my hands on a pair, I'll let you look at them, do a review on them, boom, give them back. Cool. So let's hope that they get them. I'll be hearing from them pretty soon. Let's hope that they get them, and we may have an unboxing and review of those coming, which would be pretty neat. But that's it for this video, y'all. It's a pretty quick one, man. I'm the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so we can get to 500 by May 15th, and just to grow in general. And if you're feeling generous, you can donate to the channel to my Cash App at a Sneakerhead, or sorry, Cash a Sneakerhead. I'll leave it down below in the description. But that's it for this video, man. Do not forget, it's all about the sneakers.